Hello everyone, so if you watched one of my recent videos, I've talked about putting a curve underneath the guide rails here, or the case guides. And that's something that I really want to do and I think would really lift the design of the piece, but I feel like it would add too much time than what this piece is originally planned to be. And I'm pretty used to going way overboard with these, so I have to stop myself and say, no, I can do that next time. But what that would actually entail is putting a curve under here. Obviously, that's not too difficult with the spoke shave under here and here, but the panel underneath, that goes underneath, would have a curve this way and a curve this way. So it would be a compound curve. Very slight one, which would be really fun to do, especially with fur. It's softer. It would be able to make that curve with veneers. Oh geez, I'm convincing myself. You know what? I think I might do it because it'd be really cool. The only thing that means is I need two slightly thicker pieces of lumber core, which I have a lot glued up already. I just have to resaw it. So what I have to do now is I have to lay out the curve that I like in here on both sides. What would be nice in this piece is to have, if I had done these at a 12/4, which I believe is available, have this section of the case support a little thicker, and then have a transition into the curved case guide come right off of the case support and down into a curve. So if I ever redo this piece for somebody else, that's a design change that I may want to make. But I'm still very happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and do this now that I've convinced myself, and get going on that. So to get that shape nicely nicely done is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a template for both of the curves, and I'm going to do the two halves. I'm going to do two halves. And then glue them together. It'll need to be two halves this way, and then I'll have to dowel them together and glue them, and then glue the crossband on top, and then the veneers on top. And the reason I'll have to do that is because I need to cut the curve this way, and then I need to stand it up on the edge and cut the curve this way. Yeah. So it's gonna get shallower in the center and pinch at either end. And then it'll be sanding done afterwards, unless I made a plane specifically to do that, which I could, but I'm not going to. That will be a process of compound curve veneering, which I haven't done yet. I've obviously thought it through a couple times, but yeah, I think I'm going to give that a try, because that would be really nice. As you look under here, that would be really nice, and it would really go well with the shaping I'm going to have underneath the corners here. So yeah, I'm gonna add that. That's a little bit more work. Right, I probably shouldn't add that, but I'm going to. I better sit on it for the day and decide. In the meantime, I can do all the top. I can do the top panels. or get the veneers ready for the top panel. So I'm going to cut my veneers out and see where got there. Cool.